My research process is not particularly sophisticated, actually. Typically, for any project I have, I'll just have a Word document that's labeled notes, and it's where I just dump any important links or bits of information that I think would be important for whatever I'm working on. I think the most valuable part of Nexus Hub for me is just being able to highlight and snip the information I find valuable and have it in one spot. Typically, I will use my existing Word document of notes, and then I have to spend a lot of time going through all of the saved links I have to find the specific information that I thought was valuable in the article or research piece that I was looking at. Having all of it saved and organized in one place is way easier than scrolling through my really disorganized notes Word document. I think one of the ways that Nexus Hub has really saved me time and effort is just streamlining my whole research process. As a content writer, I really do have to do a lot of research, not just to educate myself on certain topics, but find information to back up claims or provide valuable information that we're going to be giving our audience. So it's really great to be able to collect all this information in one spot, and it really cuts down the time it takes to organize my thoughts and kind of decide how I'm going to approach a given project. One of the really cool ways I've been using Nexus Hub is for one of my clients where I do a biweekly roundup of industry news or interesting topics that we think they could weigh in on, or maybe topics that we want to incorporate into future content calendars. It's been really great to be able to just snip and collect that information on the fly throughout the week. When an article comes through my inbox or I see something on Twitter or one of the trade pubs, I can just highlight it and save it to a collection. And all of that is there in one spot at the end of the week that I can then just put into our roundup and send. It's really amazing.